What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is DaviFX back again with another daily analysis video. I did not post a video yesterday because it was a bank holiday during the New York session, so there was not much going on in the markets, and I didn't see a reason to do it. But I'm back today. We do have amazing price action setting up here on between our indices today. Different than other videos, I'm not going to be looking at Nasdaq. I'm going to be looking at US30 because I like US30's price action a little bit more. My goal with these videos is to bring you confidence and clarity to your own trading, so make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video to see what kind of setups I'm going to be looking for the today and upcoming days. All right, let's jump right into the charts. And before I begin with, doing top-down analysis, as I do every start of the week, I want to share with you something I shared yesterday in my group. So this is my private Telegram group that I have. It's not just a signals group. It's education. It's daily chart markups, every trade management thoughts, education. As you can see here, I was explaining what is a safe haven for people to understand. Now what I want to share is this was yesterday's chart markups, and this was US30 chart markup that I have, and I want you to take a look at this. This is what we had when I shared this, and now I'm gonna move to the present and you'll see how everything played out. So as you can see, I was looking for a break above and retest to go long, and for a break above and retest to go long. And if we go to the present, as you can see, this is exactly what we have. This was a slight adjustment right here. So we did get this retest. The price moved up. We did get this retest. The price moved up. So anyone that took advantage, they definitely got some profits in. Now, me personally, it was the bank holiday. The volume was low. I didn't want to go crazy and go against my rules, and I wanted to stay disciplined, and I didn't take these two trades, but I did receive some messages from people telling me that they took those trades and they got some profits going. Now, I want to start with a higher time frame once again. Just like in US 100, on Nasdaq, the same way we on US 30, we do have monthly support and resistances. Now this is the one, and this is a second support. So if we look at the previous monthly candle, we do see that once the price came to this monthly support, we did had a very strong rejection to the upside, this ugly arrow right here, right? So this is our previous monthly candle. What is this telling me? It's telling us that this support is very strong, and previous monthly candle closed very weak bearish. Let's go to the present. Let's see what candle is giving us now. Now we did drop down pretty heavily, but the price met another support on the monthly. So this is a monthly. This is not 5 minutes. This is not 1 hour time frame. This is a one month time frame. And when the price was here at the bottom, I said we will see some rejections. That is the reason. I know that we're going down on the bigger time frame, but that was the reason that why I was looking for those long setups on the lower time frame, because we did come to the support, which is heavy, and we did reject to it on the lower time frame. Let's drop down through the weekly. On the weekly, we see that this current weekly candle is looking pretty bullish. We do still have, overall bearish structure of lower lows and lower highs. So until this high right here is broken, my overall bias is gonna still be bearish in the long term. But if this happens, then I'm gonna switch my overall bias to bullish and continue looking for longs. Now, I am going to continue looking for longs until we reach this monthly support. Now, we did move decently up, but we still have some space. We still have some gaps here. If we go to the US 100, as you can see, we do have a weekly gap right here. So I see the price at least going up to fill this gap, retest this monthly before continuing to the downside, or maybe we might break this and then I will continue looking for longs. Now, once again, if we break above this heavy monthly, weekly structures and shift our price action to the bullish side, then I'm going to be overall bias bullish and continue looking heavily for buy positions. Now, I would be looking for for short positions at this moment, but we are currently at some strong monthly support and resistances. So I'm just gonna I'm not gonna be guessing that the market is gonna drop or gonna go up. I'm gonna react, and reacting, I am off these monthly support zones. Now let's go down to the lower time frame on the 4-hour. We do see that bullish momentum is building up right now. We do see consistent bullish 4-hour closures, a lot of bullish momentum we see here lately on the 4-hour time frame. Now, the New York session hasn't still opened, and it's not going to open for the next 2 hours. So honestly, when you have, let me give you some education here. Let's say you have a big supply zone and the market is moving up. For example, during Asian session and New York session, it grabbed this demand during the London session and kept moving up. Now, once New York opens, there's a high chance every time that the market is going to come back to that demand zone during New York open, where London grabbed this liquidity here. Now New York is going to grab this liquidity, and then we're going to continue to the upside. So now I'm not going to be looking for long positions until we have a New York open, and I do expect, I will be waiting for the price to come back to one of these demands to look for long positions. Now, I want everybody to understand, yes, everything is bearish, but look at this. We are at a strong monthly support. Look at all these rejections. Now, if we go down to the lower time frame, we do see, potential inverse head and shoulders, right? Reversal pattern, or somebody say it's a double bottom. So a lot of confirmations here for a long opportunity. And once again, I want to remind everybody, we do have some gaps above. So I will be looking for longs until that happens. And that's pretty nice and simple price action. I really like everything I see. I really like the bullish momentum. I would love to see the price to come back, grab this liquidity here on the New York session for us to continue to the upside. These are all our confirmations. Let's look at gold quickly. I was expecting to look at US30, but we can make this quick, I guess. This is what I sent out yesterday in my group. Let me show you. This is the gold, as you can see here. We ended up not reaching this, not breaking it, and not retesting it, and moving down a little bit. Now I want to go down to the up to the monthly time frame and kind of look at what we have here on the monthly time frame. So obviously we do have bullish momentum. We did have retracement right here that was invalidated at this moment. Why? It's because lately on the monthly we do have bullish structure of higher highs and higher lows. Now this monthly structure right here wasn't broken, which says to us that the overall monthly bias is still bullish. So we might continue to the upside. If we go to the weekly time frame, we do see a weak bullish candle rejecting off this weekly support that we have here. Rejection. Now we have another resistance here. So there's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen. And overall, if I was just, to guess what's going to happen, I would say if we break below this, we're going to continue lower. And if we're going to break above this, we're going to continue higher. But now, since the price rejected off the monthly, we do have some bullish momentum on the weekly. This is why I was looking for long position here above. It didn't happen, but once again, if that eventually happens, this is the setup I'm going to be looking for on gold. All right, guys, thank you for watching. All I do and all I care about is simplicity, because that helped me a lot elevate my psychology in trading. When you make your trading complicated, it's really, really hard to stay consistent. So that's what I teach. And if you are interested in, signals, which I just showed you, it's not just signals, it's education, it's daily chart markups, it's daily analysis videos. Check out the link in my description. If you are interested to learn to trade it like I do, to find the zones like I do, to think like I do have a course, also the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button, and I'll see you all tomorrow. This was David Tex. Peace.